Hi, and welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. This is 5-minute chemistry where you learn chemistry concepts and see examples in 5 minutes or less. Today we're in the ionic compound series and we're taking the name of an ionic compound and moving it to a balanced compound. And for this compound we're exploring Mercury 1 carbonate. Mercury can be mercurial, can you? Let's go! Welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. Today we're balancing Mercury 1 carbonate into a balanced compound. Now, we can tell because they're both a metal and a non-metal that this is an ionic compound. And we can tell because of the presence of the Roman numeral that Mercury 1 is a transition metal, so we have to be given the charge. Now, this is tricky though because Mercury 1 is one of those tricky transition metals that you just have to memorize. So let's get started. No matter how we're balancing, the first step is to always isolate your anion and isolate your cation. Your cation always goes first. Remember, it's positive, and it's positive in a charge and positively first. And Mercury 1 is our tricky cation because it's Hg, and most people want to put a 1 plus, with a subscript 2 and then a 2 plus, meaning there's two Mercury 1 ions that are bonded together to make a 2 plus charge. So when you see Mercury 1, remember it's two of them bonded together to make a 2 plus charge. So if you think about it another way, it's Hg 1 plus Hg 1 plus forms Hg 2 plus. There's two single Mercury 1 ions that form the dual Mercury 2 ion. And this is important because many students see the 1 and want to put the 1. And you would be correct if it was just 1, but it's one of those tricky ones. And then we have carbonate. Remember, carbonate, not carbonite. We're not Han Solo. Carbonite does not exist. And this is CO₃² minus. Now, we don't have to do the LCM or the crisscross or the equation method because we have a 2 plus and a 2 minus, and they cancel each other out to make one neutral compound when put together because 2 plus 2 minus equals 0. So we end up with Hg₂ CO₃. So we don't have to do any more work once we see that the two charges are the same. Thank you so much for watching Always Eclectic Stacy. If you're worried about not knowing all the transition metals and their charges, even the tricky ones, you can check out that series or my series on polyatomics. Otherwise, check out some of my other content and please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.